Welcome back to Investing with Darren. Today we'll talk about how to invest in stocks. Before we begin, let's do a tour of the world's first floating Apple store here in Marina Bay Sands. If you want to start investing in stocks and you feel a heavy burden for needing to know all the financial terms or even reading financial reports, then this video is for you. I started my career in finance and I can say that you don't need an accounting or economics degree to be a good investor. In my conversations with people in the past, we found that many people don't invest in stocks because they don't truly understand it. In my earlier interview with Adrian, and I'll link it up below, many people find it easier to start investing with property because it feels real. You can see it, you can touch it, you can even smell that fresh coat of paint. But not stocks. Stocks feels like something very theoretical, something that the experts talk about. Talking stocks can feel like going to macroeconomics class but not doing our homework the night before. So many terms, so many candles, EPS, gap, free cash flow. It's mind-boggling. That view of stock investing isn't for me, and it may not be for you. I've always believed in having a relationship with the company first and not the stock. To make stocks real, I do my best to be a user of the company's products and services. Some would say this is like talking to Main Street, the real economy, the users on the ground, the retail shops, the factories, as opposed to Wall Street, institutional investors, hedge funds. Imagine two people. It is the year 2007. Apple, then known as a computer company, launched a mobile phone for the first time. One listened to some Wall Street analysts who thought that Apple would never overtake Nokia or BlackBerry, who were the market leaders in phones at that time. Another bought the iPhone and knew of friends and family who were using the iPhone. They were amazed by the full screen glass, the amazing touch keys, and also, for the first time, browsing internet on a mobile device felt great. It felt totally unlike a phone from before.
Three things: a widescreen iPod with touch controls, a revolutionary mobile phone, and a breakthrough internet communications device. An iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator. An iPod, a phone. Are you getting it? These are not three separate devices. This is one device. And we are calling it iPhone. Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone. And here it is. No. Actually, here it is, but we're going to leave it there for now. So,
who do you think is going to have a stronger conviction on the future of Apple? When we invest in a company, and not just the stock, we'll also be able to better understand the story behind the numbers. Tim Cook has said that his biggest legacy is going to be in health and wellness.
On the healthcare in particular and sort of your well-being, this is an area that I believe if you zoom out into the future and you look back and you ask the question, what was Apple's greatest contribution to mankind? It will be about health. Because our business has always been about enriching people's lives, and as we've gotten into healthcare more and more, through the watch and through other things that we've created with Research Kit and Care Kit, and putting your medical records on the iPhone, this is a huge deal, and it's something that is very important for people. We are democratizing it. We are taking what has been with the institutions and empowering the individual to manage their health. And we're just at the front end of this. But I do think, looking back in the future, you will answer that question. Apple's most important contribution to mankind has been in health.
Many of you have read the stories about how the Apple Watch automatically notifies emergency services and loved ones when a user has a heart fall. My entire family wears an Apple Watch, and it gives me peace of mind knowing that they'll be a little safer. So to me, Apple isn't just about the iPhone, which is a big part of its revenues today, but I see a future that is much larger in health, in wearables, in AR, and many more. That allows me to invest in the long term without spending 1 or 2 hours a day looking at share price movements. That time is better spent with loved ones. So, what is your view? Do you invest in a company or the stock? And if you hesitated investing in stocks for a long time, what made you begin? Also, how do you watch out for the risk of investing in companies and not be blindsided by their flaws? Love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Click the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.